Sa kabataang Pilipino. Maraming salamat. Dear graduates, ngayong kayo po'y nagtapos na.
Stress payments, motivations, technology factors, and challenges. Flores, Alaya, Kathleen Aquino, with the thesis title,
Success isn't just about job titles or flexing your first paycheck on IG. It's about the kind of human you become. Step by step, hindi na lang sa imagination ninyo. Sumakses na talaga. Dear graduates, kayo po'y nasa pintuan ng bagong yugto ng inyong buhay. The other side of the door is yours to explore. Your story, your path, your purpose. And remember, lahat po kami, we are watching, supporting, and believing in every one of you. I'm honored to present to you the 2025 candidates for graduation. I hereby respectfully request the conferment of their degrees and of their graduation. By the power vested in me by the Board of Regents, and based on the recommendation of the University Council, I, Dr. Raimundo P. Arcega, the University President, Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Muntinlupa, hereby declare all of you graduates.
Congratulations, Batch Sinagtala, Class of 2025. The world is waiting for who you will become. Maraming salamat sa tapang, lakas ng loob, talino at patuloy na paniniwala sa pag-asa ng magandang kinabukasan. Muli, maraming salamat at magandang umaga.
Class of 2025, you are ready. Ready to dream, ready to lead, ready to rise. And always remember, you carry not just your diploma, but the hope of every person who believes in you. Congratulations again. Mabuhay ang Muntinlupa, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat.
Grabe, lamig ng paa ko.
Thank you po.